May mga requirements ka sa akin.
A day in my life as an OA. Ang OA man. Okay, sige. A day in my life as a Bernas.
Ngayon ka lang naging Bernas.
Bernas number 1. And the color blue is Bernas number 2. They are the head of the Bernas mansion. Tama. Corinthy ka naman dyan.
Binira mo na yun sa'yo?
Sabay-sabay. Iba yata bayaran yan. Ano?
Sabay sa'yo. Protect kita.
Hi guys. We're home now and we will do a haul. Okay haul. Konti lang yung binay namin kasi napagod agad si ate. This is binili ni Papa. Original price 600. Tayod ba yun? Tahod? Tawad price.
Tawad!
Tawad price is 450.
Wow!
Ito sa second floor na bili. Maganda to. Ayan, ulo ko. This is my one and this is also my one. Puro akin yung binili actually. It's this summer dress. Look how pretty, oh. Tadan! It's like perfect for the summer or for when like going out casual lang. Nahuli tayo. Tapos ito, we also got this. Super cute. Super pambahay lang. Pwede din pangalan. Libre lang na lang ito. Low-key. Ay, putas pala yung dede nito. Ang cute siya.
Stylan mo lang talaga.
Oo, parang undershirt ka na parang. Oo. And then, ay akin din ulit ata to.
Bala ko din yung suotin.
So perfect. This is 3-in-1. Mother, sister, daughter. And then, nakita ko na Uniqlo to. Mahal sa Uniqlo, pero itong mura lang.
89.
189. Tawad price. Original price, 700. Ito sa ate ko, oh.
Maganda yung panggana.
Yes. The first one is my favorite. This one, I forgot the name, pero favorite ko to, oh. Tapos tignan mo yung likod, oh. See you. Oh, perfect. Very kawaii. And then, ito yung kay mama. And then, this is the last one. Akin din to. Original price, 250. Short. Na.
Pahaba pa ng short yun.
Tapos, ito naman. Very cute. Aesthetic. Pwede rin to pang alis. Parang pang over. Very good. And that's all we got. In total, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 items for how much, mother? So, in total, we got 13 items for 1.5. All in all, really legit, guys. Go to the shop. Bye.